2018 apartment tour. I hope you enjoy watching. If you have any questions about what furniture or furnishings I used, go ahead and leave a comment below and I'll respond as soon as I can. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Bye! Enter through the front door, there's the front door, and I just have a little key holder on the side that we put up, so it just has a mail slot, and we like to keep our AirPods up there when we run out to the gym. And then this is where we put our keys. And along on the side you enter into the kitchen. So this is our fridge, pretty basic fridge. We do like the feature where the water bottle, it doesn't quite have like a stop, so you can, as large of a canister that you have, you can actually use with the water dispenser and how it's located. And then we have our little coffee tea nook on the side of that. So we have a Keurig. We got these really cute stackable mugs from World Market. And then I have a tea kettle, which is actually an Amazon basic item, but you should really look into it if you like tea kettles. I think it's only like $20, works really well, and it looks really, really nice with the rest of our appliances. Then we have a toaster on the side. So backing up then, we just have the rest of the kitchen. So we have our microwave, which is pretty spacious, and then our stove. And I'll show you a few of my favorite cabinets about what's in them. So in this cabinet right next to the microwave is our glasses, and I really like the glasses that we chose. So these are our water glasses. We have a bigger size, and then we have like a half size here that we like to use. And then this is my favorite part, these wine glasses. I got these from World Market, and I like the more angled shape of the wine glasses. And then my other favorite glasses are these Target cocktail glasses. And we like to put big spear ice cubes in them. So yeah, that's in that cabinet. And then on the side, I guess we also have like our utensils and steak knives and such. And then I like to keep out a candy jar. Right now we just have candy corn in it. I also like to keep out chocolates, and then we have a fruit bowl. And we actually have some fresh picked fruit from the garden that we went to this weekend, so we just have that drying right now. And this tower holder we also got from World Market, and that's the sink. It's really nice because you can kind of prop it out and get to where you want it. And then we just have the dishwasher. So that's basically it. I'll give you an overview of the kitchen, and that's basically what it looks like. So from the kitchen we enter the living room. Oh, I have this really cute wreath that I put up. It was from TJ Maxx. So this is the living room. And then we don't actually have room for a dining room table, so we just have 4 bar stools. These are from Amazon, and I believe they were 4 for $200, so really good deal. And then we have a beanbag for extra seating, and then our couch. So our beanbag is from World Market. It's really, really comfortable, really soft. I know that my boyfriend David likes to play his video games in it. And then we have the couch is from World Market, and then the coffee table is Amazon. So I just like keeping this candle from Target actually out on the coffee table. Oh, our rug is also from Amazon. So a lot of good finds from Amazon for our apartment when we moved in. The side table was Amazon, and then the candy jar was a gift. Right, turning you guys around, this is the other side of our living room. So we have a TV stand from Amazon, and then this TV from Costco that we just got. This is by far my favorite room that turned out. I really liked how it turned out. I think that it looks really, really nice. So now moving on to our patio. So let's see. So we have a light to the side that you can use to turn on the little light right there, but we don't usually use that too often. So going out to our patio, we have this really cute little patio set from IKEA, and then we have these cool solar power lights that, here's a solar panel right here, and they automatically charge from the sun and they'll automatically turn on during the nighttime. So moving on to entering the living room. Oh, and then this is the little, what would you call that, ladder bookshelf, I believe, from Target that I got. I have this wreath from Trader's that I still need to hang up, and then we have just a few little knickknacks here and there. So yeah, now we enter the bedroom. Bit of settling down to do in here and rearranging where things go, but this is our TV. For now, we're just using this cube set from Target to put it on, and that's where we store some storage items. If we go over here, this is David's side, so he has all his stuff on his bookshelf, and then that bear that he got me a really long time ago. Okay, and then this is my side. So on my nightstand, I have my wireless charger, my Apple Watch charger, just a coaster from World Market, and then this really cute little lamp that was like 10 bucks from Target. And then this bookshelf, or this nightstand, sorry, is actually from Amazon. And what I did is I got some marble vinyl covering that, and we just put that on. And then I have my MacBook and my planner down below. And we have a barn door leading into the closet, so I'll show you. Okay, so this is the closet right now. For our towel laundry here, and then our laundry, and then clean linens and such. We have a washer dryer in the closet, which makes doing laundry so easy. My clothes are on the bottom, and I like to keep them color organized. That's just how I prefer to keep my clothes. and then I just have my pants and my bottoms here. Then I also have some, it looks a little crazy right now. I have to get some more cubes, but that's how I store the majority of the rest of my clothes. And then I have here just some jewelry, just basically stuff I still need to organize, but it'll get there. So kind of an overview of our closet. And what I wanted to kind of show you guys really quick actually were these hangers that I got from Costco and Amazon, the velvet ones. Life-changing. So now from the closet, we're moving into the bathroom. So the apartment, just to kind of orient you guys, the apartment is kind of like a donut almost, like a little loop that you can walk around. So I just, on the back of the bathroom door, I just have my shoe. Okay, so I'll close that so it looks a little bit nicer. And so this is just a little poster that we have. Then we have the toilet area, the sink, and all that, and then the shower curtains and the bath mat. So I guess I'll show you a little bit of the bathroom. In our little mirror cabinet, wall cabinet, sorry, this is where I keep my skincare. So I have like the Tatcha water cream, Clinique face scrub, some oils and stuff, contact stuff, Listerine, and then that's miscellaneous up there, but that's kind of how I organize it. And in the shower, I really like our shower. So I love these Subway white tiles, kind of overview, but I love this big long stripe of black hexagon tiles. So cute. So that's just kind of, we don't have a shower stand or anything yet, but we'll get one. This one was a bit too small for our bathroom, so we just have to sit out here for now. And then we installed some shower towel hooks to put our towels on. And now going out, as you can see, we're back in the kitchen. It is a donut. And then we do have a little linen cleaning closet here that I like to keep the extra cleaning supplies, any extra supplies, and winter coats. So yeah, that's basically the apartment. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Enjoyed watching the video. If you have any other videos that you would like me to make, go ahead and leave a comment below, and have a great day. Bye.